I got Happy Meal, and before I open it, I want to point out a few things. Can you see that cool sticker? That is Joni's 3D printed ball jointed frog. That is the coolest thing. I think his name is Fig. Um, she has a few though, and I can't remember. Also, Happy Meal, Joni. That did not go unnoticed. Thank you very much. I say all the time, Happy Mail is a hug in a box. It's not only that the person put this together for you, they paid the postage, which is higher all the time. And getting boxes ready for the mail does not just take a minute, it takes a few minutes by the time you pull everything up, and then a lot of people go to the post office. So it's a lot. And I really, and I mean it from the bottom of my little black heart, I really appreciate it. I don't know if I can, there we go. Look at my wrist working. So I got a Happy Meal and I am thrilled to death. I call this a hug in a box. Oh my goodness, look at this. Joni makes these. She is so clever. That is the cutest thing. Look at the name on there. That is the actual logo for Blythe Dolls. Oh, look. There are more. Oh, there's another one to build. That's so cool, Joni. That is so cool. Thank you so much. That is Smart Doll size. And the little Blythe, my little Kinner is going to get that. That is adorable.
How about 28-inch Barbie? Or
Oh, for this, yep. There's a note on here. Happy Mail, brim up or down. Add flowers, pins, or bows. 2 are for Blythe and 2 are for Smart Doll. Oh my goodness. Joni, thank you. Oh my. Look at these. How cute are these hats? Look at the double stitching and the beautiful job. Oh, the beautiful sewing job. Just, oh, a little pink one for my, oh, look at that. Oh, that is so cute. I love these. Let me grab a Blythe real quick. Oh my, Joni, look how cute my dolls look. Oh, I cannot thank you enough. Oh my goodness, they look so cute. I absolutely love this. Thank you so much for Happy Mail. It's always so much fun, and you never know what's inside. Hug in a box. Her hair could, you know what it is? She's got that big braid in the back, so it's kind of up a little bit, but it's still so cute. I have a link to Joni's channel in the title. And if you have not seen Joni's channel, you are missing out. Joni makes everything from what you've seen here today to elaborate props, cars, etc. And she even makes a lot of her own dolls, some of them ball jointed. Cute. Thank you, Joni, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.